As you can see, these bunnies are super cute, but the ears were too floppy for my taste, and I want them to look more straight up. So this is what I did. I used a paper clip, just an ordinary paper clip that you find at home. I opened it to make it that kind of shape, just like this, and shape it as I could. And then when I was ready, almost with the first ear done, joined, I inserted that paper clip in there, and so I crocheted, making sure that the clip was inside, joining as I was joining before. Sorry, I go off camera. It gets a bit tricky with the camera in between. But you know what I'm doing, right? So you just keep doing this, keeping your wire inside. You can use any wire. I just found that a paper clip makes it just really simple. You don't have to use any kind of pliers. Well, maybe if you really want to shape them correctly, but just using your fingers, your strong, crafty fingers, you can get it done with no trouble. Okay, so then we just keep going till reaching the other side, and that's it. So as you can see, now the bunny has straight ears, just like the other ones. And yes, I will be able to fix the ones I did before. So that's it. Thank you.